Problems come from control valve will decrease the productivity of the machine unit and also have an impact on safety aspect that can endanger the operator or the people around the unit. The problem is, if the control valve has to be replaced, the price is very expensive, more than 300 million for one control valve. This can lead to a high customer operational cost. Can you solve the problem? Control valve is a component that controls the flow of hydraulic oil to all hydraulic systems of heavy equipment, such as attachment boom, arm, bucket, swing, and travel. Like the human heart, if the control valve is damaged, it will cause the unit breakdown. The problem that occurs in the control valve is the appearance of aerations and scratch on the control valve hole housing, which can lead to leakage, making the power and speed of the unit low. Control valve that has been used for 12,000 hours must have 100% control valve erosion damage. Therefore, we set a target of a reduction from 100% to 0%. After a long process in finding alternative solutions, we chose electroplating, welding, laser cladding. Research activity. The R&D process in the laboratory to choose the right solution. After doing research, we found that the electroplating and welding method couldn't be done to overcome the problem with control valve because there is porosity and martensite phase, so the most appropriate method is laser cladding. Laser cladding process. When checking the leak on the test bench, the results are still not fulfill the UTR quality standard. The result of ID hole housing measurement is still awful. This is due to the manual finishing process and horizontal position. We've done a PDCA process to solve the problem. This result meets the UTR quality standard. Successful! To ensure the quality of our improvement products, we installed it on excavator units to do 3,000 hours seeding test, and now the seeding process has been more than 3,000 hours. After this improvement is implemented, the results obtained that we can repair the damage occurred at control valve. This improvement increased UTR revenue and also with good quality in accordance with UTR standards. To maintain the standardization of our processes, we created Reman Procedure Guide that have been registered in ISO 9001 UTR.
This improvement will really help customers, especially in doing repair control valve, which have not been able to repair with good quality. Previously, durability repair didn't reach 1,000 hours, and now become more than 3,000 hours. Thank you, UTR.
UTR
Luar biasa.
The use of laser cladding technology is proof that our company is concerned with the technology development. Of course, with the use of this technology, it can be a solution for every problem faced by customer. UTR, kita bisa luar biasa.